Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you another card kit that I received from the Stamps of Life. I am smashing my way through my card kits. I have had a few stack up that I have not been able to use, and so I believe this one is from December. I think this was December's card kit. This was the inspiration. It's called Candyhearts to Stamp. That was the Die Hard Club, which I received that as well. I didn't make too much stuff with the stamp and die set. I mostly used the card kit to assemble these 13 cards I believe I got out of the kit. Here's the stamp set and the die set. I did... with the club kit, this was the die that we received, and it is to make one swiper card die set, and I made a few of those cards, so I'll show you here in a minute. But that's the die that we got with the club kit, and then we also got some free dies for being Gold Club members, I believe. But I ended up with some... It looks like stitched clouds and stars, and I cut out a few of them. And then some moons as well. Those moons are a pretty good size. And then some other stars. So that was a free gift. I believe that was Ken's gifts. Before we used to get gifts from Stephanie, now we're getting gifts from Ken. Thank you so much. But yeah, so this was a free die included, and you know, substantial die. So I'm going to share with you the 13 cards I made. I did take some video clips of the process. I will show you here with some music. Enjoy, and I'll be back to share with you all of them. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider subscribing and liking this video.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Startled our
Okay, so I made some of those A1 swiper cards that I'm going to share with you, and then I've made a few regular A2 size cards that I will share with you. So the swiper card, it just has that pop-up when you, it's a, what's it called? Interactive card. So as you pull the sides, it pops up. And this one just says smile, smile, you rock is what pops up. So, and then here's the back. I just need to add my stamp. Here's another one. This one has the word love pops up. And then another one. Sending love. And here's another one. This one I added a doily from my stash. And then both of these I think were from last year. Maybe even these dies were from last year in another card kit I received. And then here's the last swiper card that I made. And this one says with love. So these are so fun. Fun. So I have 6 of those and then probably 7 of these. And so this jar was from a kit from last year from the Stamps of Life. And these enamel hearts were included in the club kit, as well as this felt trim and this sticker here. I cut this out of the paper that was included in the paper pack that was in the club. And then this Love is Sweet is a stamp I have from past kit. And then it's just a flip up. And then I made a shaker one, and I just used some vellum. I did put some of the hearts that I cut out in here, but you can't see them too well. I did do another one. You could see that one better. But yeah, so what a fun shaker, right? And here's another one with the jar. Here's the other shaker I made, and you can see the hearts better on this one. But yeah, they move all around too, so how fun is that one? And it just flips up too. Here's another one. I just used some of the scraps, the frames, like this frame here. I just used the frames, angled them, and snipped off the sides. But yeah, so that's another one. I just used the scraps for that one. And here's another one. I actually saw someone using their jar stamp and die set, and they actually stamped out and masked. She was doing a masking technique and masked off the stamps. But I remembered I had cut all of these pieces out, so I was determined to use them. So here it is. And this is old Stamps of Life twine. And then here's the last card. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Valentine cards from the Stamps of Life, my club kit. And I hope you guys found inspiration in them. Hopefully you guys are probably almost done with your Valentine's creating. It's time to get started for St. Patrick's Day, and I do have a stamp set that I have never used that I got from the Stamps of Life. And so this might be a good time to break that out. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!